Today I am not just playing Hill Climb, I am building it, and not from the Play Store. I am making it from scratch using ChatGPT. Let's see if this actually works or if I completely mess it up. So I open ChatGPT and type one simple line: make me a game like Hill Climb racing using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I hit enter, and boom, a full game script appears on my screen. I am looking at all this code like, okay, this looks serious. There is canvas setup, car physics, terrain generation, controls, everything. Now comes the real test. I copy the entire script, open HTML view, paste it, save it, and go straight to preview mode. I am low-key excited at this point. I press the arrow keys. Nothing. The car is not moving. The screen is just there. I am staring at it like, what just happened? Did ChatGPT fail? Did I copy something wrong? I scroll through the code quickly, pretending like I understand everything. Then I realize something so basic. I did not even click on the game screen to activate it. I click once, press the key again, and the car starts moving. Bro, it is actually working. The terrain is generating, the car is bouncing slightly on hills, and I can tilt it forward and backward. It is not perfect, but it is playable. And the craziest part? I did not write a single line of this manually. I drive for a few seconds, flip the car once, restart, and start getting into it. But then I notice something. Where are the coins? You cannot have a hill climb style game without coins. That is literally the most satisfying part, collecting them while trying not to crash. So I go back to ChatGPT and type, now add coins so that the car can collect them. Let's see if this actually upgrades the game or breaks everything. ChatGPT generates the updated code in seconds. I copy everything again, go back to my HTML file, replace the old script, save it, and jump straight into preview mode. I start driving, and wait, hold on. I see coins. Actual coins placed on the terrain. I drive over one and the counter at the top increases. No way. It actually added collision detection and a scoring system. I did not expect it to work this cleanly. Now it finally feels like a real game instead of just a moving car demo. At this point I am getting confident. If coins work this smoothly, what else can we add? The background looks kind of boring. It is just plain and empty. So I go back again and type, add background parallax effect like trees, sun, environment. New code loads up. I paste it, save, preview, and wow, now there are background layers moving at different speeds. The sky looks better. There are shapes that feel like distant hills. It gives depth. It actually feels alive now. The game instantly looks more polished. But I am not stopping here. Let's make it dynamic. I type, add day and night effect. Code generates. Paste, save. Now while I am driving, the sky slowly changes color. It shifts from bright day tones to darker night shades. It feels like time is passing inside the game. This is getting insane. Alright, now I get a crazy idea. What if we make it 3D? I type, make it in 3D. This is where things get interesting. The 3D code generates, and I am not going to lie, it looks way more complex than before. I copy it carefully, paste it into my file, save everything, and open the preview. At first glance, it actually looks crazy. There is depth now. The camera angle feels different. The car looks like it is moving through a real space instead of just a flat 2D screen. I start driving forward, and for a few seconds everything feels perfect. Then suddenly, the ground disappears. The car keeps moving, but there is no terrain in front of it. It is just empty space. I sit there thinking, okay, this is the downside of going too fast with upgrades. But instead of giving up, I go straight back to ChatGPT and type, terrain is disappearing after moving some distance. Fix it and add coins on the terrain. Let's see if it can fix its own mistake. The new code comes in. I replace the old one again, save, and refresh the page. This time I start driving and the terrain keeps generating properly. It does not vanish anymore, and the coins are placed nicely on top of the ground instead of floating randomly. That is a big win. I keep driving and the game just keeps going. It feels endless. Collecting coins in 3D hits differently. It honestly feels like we built something real step by step. I decide to push it one more time. I type, add trees and environment. The code updates again. I test it. Now there are extra details like clouds, rocks, and some basic environment objects. It is not perfect, but it adds personality to the world. There is still a small bug where sometimes the car slightly clips into the ground, but at this point the journey itself is the best part. From a simple prompt to a playable evolving game, everything happened through clear instructions and testing. This whole experiment shows that you can literally build and improve a game just by describing what you want. So friends, if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And to find out which one can actually make a GTA-like game, ChatGPT or Gemini, click on this video.